All right, got X13 open here. I put a window in there, created a window schedule. And I tried several different things. I've never worried about the window labels. They haven't been a problem to me. So I didn't know. So I looked, excuse me, and I finally gave up and called tech support and asked them. And then the girl there immediately told me the answer. Because some of you guys are going to say, oh, everybody knows that. Well, everybody didn't know that. I didn't know that. So what you do is you go to Edit Default Settings, Text, and Text Styles, Edit. And there's a default for, wait for it, wait a minute. Ah, there it is, default label style, see it? You click on Edit. See, they're currently by default 3-inch. And, well, okay. When I click OK, then they get huge. So Edit, Default Settings, Text, Text Styles, Edit, Label Style, Edit. Make it a little bit larger. And you understand, over here in this dialog box on the Label tab, see, it's calculate from the text. So as we increase the text, it's automatically, the symbol is going to get larger. And you could override that. Of course, that looks goofy. But you go back to the label and make it. So there's two controls. You control the symbol from this dialog and the size of the text from Edit Default Settings. Text, text styles, label style. Okay, so that one gave me a turn. So I had to call back on tech support, but I thought I'd make this video and so you don't have to call tech support. Anyway, hope this helps. Whether it does or not, have a great day.